Hey guys, welcome back. This is Growing and Healthy, a channel where we explore self-improvement through movement. And today I have my friend Trey Bryant here, and we're gonna go over some exercises that will help you fight the quarantine. In uncertain times, one must have adaptability. And in this video, I'm going to give you a routine that you can do anywhere that uses only a few optional tools, such as a jump rope and a resistance band. Jump rope is an excellent tool for cardiovascular health. If you do not have access to a jump rope, you can easily jog for a matter of minutes to warm the body up. Set a ratio of work to rest and try to improve that every session. The order in which I like to do my routines is push, pull, then legs. I like to start with the standard push-up, which covers most of the pressing muscles. Then for more tricep activation, I focus then on diamond push-ups. If you find it difficult to perform a standard push-up, you can always use an elevated surface, a chair, a bench, even the wall at an angle. I like to isolate the triceps by performing seated dips. Again, this can be done on any elevated surface. Focus on keeping the legs straight as possible, and if that is too difficult, you can always bend your knees. Now into the pull portion, I like to start with these banded bent over rows. These are excellent for the stability and strength of your back. Bend over slightly and pull just above your hip crease. Using any upright pole, we can do these banded rows. Try to break the plane of your back when pulling. That means for every rep, your elbows should stick out behind your back. Now, if you do not have access to a pull-up bar or you are unable to perform pull-ups, you can always use a banded lat pull-down to simulate a pull-up. These are excellent for also developing the muscles necessary to perform a pull-up. Rounding out the pull exercises are face pulls, great for the shoulder and upper back. Now, when it comes to working on legs, walking lunges are by far the biggest bang for your buck and can be performed anywhere with or without weight. The walking lunges are an excellent mobility exercise that not only allows you to perform wider range of motion, but also develops the leg muscles to a high level. It is best to pick a fixed distance and attempt to work past the previous distance every session. Athleticism is the cornerstone of health, and practicing broad jumps uses your athleticism in a full body manner through the swing of the arms and the triple extension of the legs. All right, guys, it's been an excellent routine. I gotta give thanks to my boy Trey Bryant for coming out here. Make sure you check out his channel, Trey Bryant, right here on YouTube, and please look out for notifications for my next film.